Members of the Joint Oversight Committee on Education are meeting right now. The court order is not on the agenda for today, but before the meeting, we asked Democrats and Republicans about that court order. They take very different views.
I think the court doesn't have that authority to tell us what we should spend on education. That's what we're elected to do. And so I think that's our job.
I think instead of debating who has a right to tell whom how to spend their money, we ought to all be able to say we need to do better for our kids and come together on that. And I hope that that's what will happen in the next few months.
The court order agrees with the findings of an independent consultant who concludes North Carolina has not kept up with the needs of students, leaving them further behind academically than they were in the 1990s. The consultant recommends North Carolina increase education funding by $8 billion over the next 8 years.
I don't know. That's a lot of money. And the teachers' pays and all that things. Ridiculous. And there's all these, the education gets 58% already of the total budget. So I think it's just something we'll just have to see.
I think the Democrats would say we need to spend way more and invest way more on public education and our infrastructure. And I think that's, at the end of the day, what the order is going to say.
The study found per pupil spending in North Carolina fell 6% in the past decade when adjusted to 2018 dollars. It recommends that North Carolina pay teachers and principals more money, provide adequate and predictable funding to schools, and improve early education, especially for at-risk students. Judge David Lee writes in his order, quote, "The costs to those students individually and to the state are considerable, and if left unattended will result in a North Carolina that does not meet its vast potential." Judge says you guys got to come up with $8 billion over the next 8 years. Is that possible?
All things are possible. Is it likely that we will do that?
This court order comes in response to what's known as the Leandro case, which started all the way back in the 1990s. What's new now? A judge making it clear what steps North Carolina needs to take to fix the problem. In Raleigh, I'm Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.